So this is one example of a case that we use for surgical planning. It's a heart model, and this is the front, so this is the sternum, and we use magnets, so you can just boop, take the sternum right off. And then this is the anatomy, so this is the pumping chambers of the heart. These are the blood vessels that come out of the heart and come into the heart. So this is the aorta, these are the vena cavae, and we make our models so that they are cuttable and suturable. The patient, when we did the modeling, was a teenager, and basically the patient had lived her entire life with what we call a single ventricle physiology. The heart, when the patient was born, we felt was not capable of supporting a normal circulation where two ventricles or pumping chambers pump blood to the body and the lungs. So we had done a surgery to basically separate the circulations. So a single ventricle was pumping blood to the rest of the body. And we know that this is not necessarily the best circulation for a long-term great outcome. These ventricles can fail over time. So now that the patient was doing well, we felt that this was a good time to revisit the anatomy and see if we can do what's called a two-ventricle repair. So we could see all the chambers, all the outflows, and all the inflows, and this provided the surgeon the information necessary to decide whether this can be a two-ventricle repair or a one-ventricle repair. Using this model, our surgeon, Dr. Mohan Reddy, was able to do a successful two-ventricle repair, and I'm happy to say that the patient is now doing well. She has higher energy levels, her oxygen saturations are very good, and thankfully this was one of those cases where the 3D model helped lead to a better outcome.